it's Peter here in Port Bundaberg. Fast forward, my boat is here with me now. I did start a video yesterday, didn't do very much, so I'm going to roll it all into one. So without saying anything else, here's what's happened. Hey, it's Peter here in Port Bundaberg. Fast forward, my boat is here with me now. I did start a video yesterday, didn't do very much, so I'm going to roll it all into one. So without saying anything else, here's what's happened. Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday the 30th of October and I am here with my boat, Fast Forward, safely in the marina here at Port Bundaberg. Yeah, big day yesterday. The tow up from the town of 1770, or down if you're doing a north-south thing. And yeah, it's as the previous video shows, it was pretty uneventful. It was a perfect day for it. We were very lucky with the conditions. So here I am, feeling a little bit punch drunk, to be honest. I probably had a bit of a catch-up sleep, and I'm sort of cotton wool head and, you know, half blocked ears as it is when your body says, yeah, enough. So anyway, today I have got my laundry on. Yeah, exciting stuff. I know how to party, right? Yeah, two washing machines going. Some of the stuff is actually still from the grounding back on the 6th of October. So hanging in the sun does one thing, but yeah, it really needed a serious wash. So heavy loads going on. Yeah, I'll probably just do a few odd jobs around the boat today. Hose some things down, desalinate some things that need it, and just get sort of kind of ready. Tomorrow we are lifting the boat out. Well, not personally, but they have a machine for that, which I'm very grateful for. Yeah, so it'll go up on the hard, probably back here somewhere, and yeah, we will finally get a look in what needs to be done, so they can quote on it, calculate times, and I'll make a decision on what I do from here, as far as staying, going, or what have you. I do need to be back in Gosford, my home, by the 3rd week of November, I think it is, because I need to get my other cataract done. Yeah, fun growing older, right? But that's okay. I used to wear glasses full time, so hello. I've had one eye done, and some people say that about me. I'm one-eyed, but no, I don't think so. So I need to get the other eye done. That's scheduled for the end of November. Like I said, that is the last operation for the year, for them, not for me. And yeah, I need to renew my driver's license in January, so I kind of can't afford to miss that. Otherwise, I won't get my driver's license renewed. So not that I've done any driving lately, but I will certainly intend to in the future. So anyway, more as the day progresses. Well, it's afternoon now, and yeah, I sat there for ages thinking I'm just too tired to move, you know, staring into the middle distance. I think it's just catching up with me. And then I thought, I've got things to do, so I got the laundry done, as I've already shown. But you know what the best thing is? Go and play with the hose. Isn't that best? Yeah, so that's what I did. So gave my girl a bit of a rinse down. Yeah, also did the hand washing too. So I washed a jumper. Now I've got that sitting in the sun. Probably not supposed to do that, but hey, when did I ever do anything I was supposed to do? So yeah, floorboards, everything, they're out drying. All clean down here now. Great. Decks have washed. The oars, boat hook, everything has just had salt accumulation on it. Not the solar panels, but underneath the solar panels, and all the lines and blocks and what have you. So yeah, what are looking her best when she goes in for her operation, right? So yeah, and nice and clean foredeck now, which is nice. Probably needs actually water blasting, but this will do for now. And also took out the anchor chain, laid it out, given that a good squirt, get all the crap and rust and whatever else is on it away, as I anticipate not using it for a bit of time now, obviously, with her going up into the onto the hard. And here we are on the river. My neighbours left this morning, so yeah, I got the place to myself almost. It's kind of weird because before I jumped out, and you feel like, okay, there's a boat on the other side. Now it feels like, hey, don't get out too quickly, you're going to fall off the side. Anyway, perception's a lot, isn't it? And I'm just rambling. And also clean my tender, as I will have to bundle that up, and it'll be stored away for a while. So I certainly don't want it to go away with salt in the mix. And that means you Newport, Rhode Island. These guys over here from North Carolina, I guess. So it is an arrival port, Port Bundaberg, for people coming across the Pacific. So they have the hot customs and everything here to process when you come to Australia here. Good morning, Peter here in Port Bundaberg, Queensland, Australia, where I am with my little yacht. Fast forward. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I had a mishap in the town of 1770, about 50 nautical miles north of here, on the 6th of October. I arrived here 2 days ago, and today we hope to lift the boat out and inspect and then begin repairs on the rudder that was lost and various other bits and pieces that happened when I washed onto a sandbar. Anyway, without further ado, we'll just see what the day brings and keep updated. Okay, so yeah, follow along and see what happens. Thank you. Okay, well, here we are. We're actually getting taken out now, ready for the lift out. Yeah, I was actually just sitting up there having a bit of a software update on my devices with the Wi-Fi, and two guys went past. I thought, wouldn't it be funny if they go into my boat? Yeah, they were. Right till the end. Yeah, it looks like the keel has to come off apparently. It's cracked on one side. You can see it took all the hits on this side, basically, but just bouncing up and down. So...
And 2 or 3 more ladies looking. I'm like, oh, fucking going down together, dog. Yeah.
Hi folks, well, things is up on the hard. As you can see, they're getting very clean. But the prognosis at the moment is they've found crack in the keel, so the keel has to come off, which means the rigging has to come off. So yeah, the survey is fairly touch and go, we think, with whether it can be written off or not. Obviously, I hope not. So yeah, anyway, we've got to take it step by bit. It's going to take a few days for that all to get sorted out, quite done and accepted. So I may well head up. There's nothing for me to do it now, if they will agree. So yeah, I'll look you up to date. Hi folks, it is now 9 something or other on Thursday. Fast forward is now on the hard and in the yard, ready for the next stage. Now the next stage is going to be the inspection, detailed inspection obviously by the surveyor, and basically determine the way forward, quote provided the insurance company has to accept. We have found there is a crack in the keel as well, unfortunately, and which means the keel needs to come off. The rigging needs to come off before that, because they tend to tip over in the yard if no keel is attached, which makes sense. So what's the future? That hopefully will be determined in the next few days, when all that process has gone through. If the work proceeds, which I hope it will, it's going to take a matter of weeks. So I've basically made the decision to go south to Brisbane for a few days and then perhaps on home to Gosford after that. There's no point in hanging around here basically, so I will obviously decide what I can take with me. It's all safely here. So yeah, the surveyors basically did that when he was talking about whether it's a write-off or repairs go forward. Obviously it's not his decision, but he will be providing the report. So anyway, I will provide more updates as they happen, but yeah, stay tuned and hopefully the outcomes are good and we can continue the voyage. Anyway, thank you all for following and your support, and yeah, more soon. Thank you for watching another Fast Forward to Queensland video. As always, don't forget to like, comment on YouTube and subscribe to Dawn Radar.